Is this the best indicator for trend traders? Let's see. In this video you will learn about the average directional index indicator and the DMI indicator. It is pretty popular among the new traders because it not only shows the strength of a trend but also the direction of the trend. And if you have been trading for a little while, you might have heard the phrase, "Trend is your friend." It makes sense, because trend can help you make more money. This indicator can help you with that. ADX is a really old indicator, invented in 1970s. It was invented by a man called J. Wells Wilder, who also made the ATR and the RSI indicator. So, stick around, because this might be the indicator that will improve your trading strategy. Now, I usually test these trading indicators 100 times, to show their real probability, since no one that I have seen talks about their real win rate. If you want to see this indicator, or any other indicator tested 100 times, to make sure it makes money, subscribe now. Maybe check out the other indicator videos that I tested 100 times. In this video, I'm going to explain the ADX indicator, instead of testing it 100 times. I will do that in a separate video. If you plot the ADX indicator on a chart using TradingView, you will see that it will come with one line that oscillates between the value 100 and 0. This line is called the ADX. If the line is showing a higher value, the market is considered to be in a strong trend. And if the ADX line is showing a lower value, the market is considered to be in a weak trend. Some say, if the ADX value is above 25, the market is trending, and if it is below it, the market is not trending. This sounds really simple to use. But, you cannot take trades using this indicator alone. This indicator will not give you buy or sell signals. But it will make you more money, and will increase your win rate, by filtering bad trades signals that are given by other indicators. That's why it is really good for new traders. Beginner traders can use this indicator to avoid range markets. Range markets are really bad to make big money. Most other indicators give a lot of false signals when the market is in a range. By using this indicator with any other indicator that you know works, you can increase your win rate and make more money. When ADX is showing a value below 25 and your other indicator is giving entry signals, do not take trades. Only take trades when the ADX is showing a value of 25 and above. If you don't have any other indicator to use with the ADX, don't worry. Because there is another version of the ADX indicator, called the DMI. If you plot the DMI indicator on TradingView, you will see, it also comes with the ADX indicator. Furthermore, it comes with two other lines, called the positive directional index, and the negative directional index. Unlike ADX, this indicator will give you entry signals, and will also show the strength of the trend. On this chart, the ADX is the pink line. The blue line is the positive directional index, and the orange line is the negative one. If blue line is above the orange line, the market is considered to be in an uptrend. Similarly, if the blue line is below the orange line, the market is considered to be in a downtrend. Some use the crossover of these positive and negative directional index lines to take trades. When the blue line is crossing below the orange line, it's a sell signal. And, if the blue line is crossing above the orange line, it's a buy signal. Personally, I don't recommend trading this way, especially if you are a beginner. It works if you take more profit than your risk. But the DMI indicator will give a lot of false signals. How many? Well, we will find out the real win rate of the ADX and DMI strategy in the next video, when I test it 100 times. Until I test it 100 times, I don't recommend you to trade using ADX or DMI indicator alone. Use it with other indicator that gives entry signals, like the MACD indicator. When I tested it 100 times, it had a good win rate. Check that video out if you want to know its real win rate. The ADX is a good indicator only if you use it to identify the strength of the trend. To filter out false signals given by the ADX and DMI, you can use the 200 moving average, or the MACD indicator. If you use them properly, and book more profit than your risk, you will definitely make money. In the next video, I will test the ADX and DMI indicator 100 times, to show its real win rate, so you don't lose money and blow up your account. If you just want to take trades using the ADX and DMI indicator, I will also show a way to filter the false signals, in the next video. Till then, check out other videos where I test the RSI, Bollinger Bands, Stochastic, and MACD strategies 100 times. Or if you want me to test any trading strategy 100 times, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. And remember to ring that notification bell as well, so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching.